Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your BPER card directly from your mobile application. This quick method lets you start using your card in just a few minutes without visiting the bank. So first of all, you need to open your BPER mobile application on your phone, then log in into your account if you haven't already. After signing in, you just have to go to the cards tab where your debit or your credit cards will be listed. Now select the card that you want to activate. You will see an option that says activate the card. You just have to simply tap on it. Then the app is going to ask you for the confirmation of your identity with an OTP that is going to be sent on your registered mobile number. You just have to provide that OTP and confirm your identity. After the successful verification, your card will be activated instantly. Once your card is activated, you can also go to the card's setting to enable the online payments, contactless payments, and international usage if needed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.